Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Janitor AI Proxy. So let's get started. Over here, open Janitor AI and sign into your account. After that, pick a chat you created before. Then click Continue. Over here, go to the top right and click the three lines. After that, select API Settings. Then choose Proxy and set the model to Custom. Over here, click Models to see available eyes. After that, choose the AI you want to use. Then, click the clipboard icon to copy the model code. Over here, go back to Janitor AI and paste the code into the model field. After that, paste the proxy URL into the API proxy URL field. Then head back to Open Router to get your API key. Over here, hover over your account and click Keys. After that, click Create API. Then, name the key and click Create. Over here, copy the new API key. After that, return to Janitor AI and paste it into the API key field. Then, add a custom prompt if you want, or select a preset. Over here, click Save. After that, select No when asked about default generation settings. Then, check the top of the screen to see Using Proxy. Over here, send a message to test it. After that, refresh the page if you get a network error and try again. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.